Hey, what's up YouTube? I know it has been a long box for time since I have done a dirty lyrics, but might as well I welcome it back. I welcome this segment back because Vybz Kartel have a new song that is called And people, boy oh boy, the song it a go with a bunch of things. The last time I heard a song that was kind of similar to the little title there, was Beenie Man. One bag and one push up on pin. And then wait, Kartel did actually have one song some years ago, way back in the day when I was a toddler called The Girl Goes Up.
It's sweet to the belly, squeeze up the breast like jelly, don't Shelly?
The girl run right Nelly. Say if I know me, a Marshall, a Ellie. So she called me on the celly. Oh, you go again. Yeah, so when me force it in her arm, makes you feel like there's something where she have no fear. Guineas me go fear. Oh shit, we can't buy. Shit, that. Alright, so this song is called and boy oh boy, there's a new Kartel. Kartel have a new look like a young boy and kind of marker down and kind of stuff. So you have the song called but not even gonna jump into this whole why are my words avoiding me? What do you call it? So, conspiracy theory if you say if the song you did do a long time or a new song. But anyway, someone play it. Cause I don't really hear the full song yet. I'm gonna review the lyrics. Vybz Kartel, Buck up in what? When she buck up in when she buck up in what is she bucking up in now? Okay. Oh, Jones Avenue, I know say a bad people place that De La Vega, that a Spanish town. Tell me if I'm right in the comments. Top banks. Oh, hold on, let me get that lyric. What it say? Gal a been up in a 9 and in a 10. How many? Gal been up in a S, gal been up in a 9. The number 9. Hold on, let me see if I can write that. The number 9. Gal a been up in a 9. So this is a 9. Wait, nobody can see, but yeah, I'm gonna put the number 9 right here. So this is a 9. And this is a 10. Boy, some very flexible girl Kartel no. Big up all them girls who can beat up in a 9 and a 10. Alright? So you're not gonna get there something there again. But you can't get it again, Kartel, because remember you're there jail unless you go and be a conjugal visit. Alright? Cause me rougher than a man who rob a bank. Okay, So, I like when you talk to somebody and them listen to you and them and them are for you don't chat. Okay, as me come so, me ready back again. Oh, big up yourself, Kartel. If you want just mention, like, okay, everybody want me stula. So, okay, do your thing, Kartel, but you know. Oh, peanuts, Wait. So, oats, we know them look something when you mix up like strong back for going in your back so you can do some stula stuff for the whole entire night. So, peanuts, Or him do a little check like when Tommy Chin did in the song there with Tifa, and them do a little checklist stick, basically a Kartel version of that.
Cash, meals, you have your regulars.
So peanut, oats blend, breed, 30 gala a McKinley Crescent. Which road that? Somebody comment and tell me where McKinley Crescent there. 30 gal on the one road, Kartel. Pan the one diggy road, 30 gal on one road. That means all some sister, auntie and cousin, and great grandmother y'all are knocked down in that one house. Jesus P, hold on. When I get the one they both Dana Karen, man. Oh, 2 girl one time call it Dana. Somebody explain the one to me. Get the oats, yeah. But write down this here because look like I want like a checklist next time I got groceries. Let us say oats because I want my back strong too. What's supplement? Nuts, nutmeg. Nutmeg. Okay. Blend it up. Okay, because it's coming like it's a creative cooking session I go on here, so. Wait, turn it on your head. Who must turn it on your head? You are the girl. Hold on, I'm confused. Oh, get a girl and go get your children. So, okay, that is it. Yeah, okay. Kartel said, get a girl and go get your children. Because anything when Kartel say, you know, say it's supposed to be loud. You understand this by now. Kartel or Beyonce. Get a girl and just go get your children. Oh, we're repeating it. Oh, I'm explain everything now. Okay, I'm going at this girl. I've been up in a 10 and 11 now, so we are count now. Gee, the last time they for count so much, I didn't extra up 7-11, you know.
All when them say 6 man got it, guess who makes 7?
Session never F in our Benz. Okay, maybe he's a good girl. Maybe she F in a one Lada or one JUTC bus, but she just never get the opportunity to do it in a one Benz. Can't really, not the girl, you know. In time, maybe she will elevate. Me said this, I will carry my children. Say my talk to her vagina. Better me set you upon the tire or the rims. Name something I can. Oh, pens, I know say something for do with England and London, something like that. British girl spin you like pens. Till you zoom wetter than the river. The river them or thing, river. What kind of lyrics something that is? Hopefully them lyrics something you write, you know, because something I read off for YouTube off for the lyrics, so maybe the lyrics them wrong. Oh, so the party I come up here now. Get a girl and just go get your children. No, you're the Kartel. Kartel, this is the way you repeat the line, you know. People are going to just breed woman left, right, and center. Just breed them and not even know what them middle name. Not even know what them date of birth. Woman are going to just get breed left, right, and center. Women, ladies out there, the breeders protecting the vagina. Because when a Kartel song drop a road, remember when Kartel they say, him now, unless him something gets sucked, him say every time him film must get sucked. And remember right after that, all of the girls them rush out and I say, oh, yeah. So Kartel a law right this and you know, so you know, so you not go just left on yourself opening, open to breedings. Alright, people, worse a coughing season, December time the place so get cold. Kartel say get a girl and just go get your children. Simple like that. Get the girl say there. Girl, me go get you. Bloom. And then Pitney go just born. Just like that. What you need 9 months for. Right there and then to go. Kartel says so. Girl have been up in a something me no know. Something where me never see in a no show. Okay, some new breed type of girl this. The man say I forgot video it and send it up a floor. Well, you know me now go say nothing. Big up me. Well, 30 million for the backers they alone. Wow. No man, them woman they when they a new Kingston and a sell. You need to step up for the money because look there, the girl here $30 million for one little from she. 30 million? Wow. Open up. Deep. No, so who can't tell a talk to right so because clearly he have a conversation and he might answer back for himself. Can't tell a talk and he might answer back. Brother, I know some going to do that, you know. Now wait, So Kartel attack and he answer back for himself. Kartel, me know you're there at jail. Things can't so rough. Things can't so rough. You talk to yourself in our song now. Boy, oh boy. Yes, Christ. Alien girl or zoom teleport. Jesus, no, we find a girl. Kartel, we find a girl. I make him a car. Make sure me. She make. She customize. She custom make like, she built like Barbie. Boxfoot. Cartel. Shelly tell Kerry. Kerry say Simone make we have a 3-way and call it a telephone. Cartel, what is? You see the reason why I do these songs is because me used to love literature. Well, I love literature, and I was a big reader back in the day before me just get stupid and forget all of my words that I used to be in my vocabulary. But you see, when I listen to Kartel, these are the things that make me really respect Kartel, because the analogies, the metaphors, the simile, the alliteration, the personification, the use of all of these devices, and the way that he's able to just coin words to make them his own and bring it across in a way that is just intellectually stimulating for persons who probably wouldn't normally listen to dancehall or gravitate to dancehall in this sort of manner. Boy, I just tapped into my inner Donna Hope. Wow, can't believe, wow, ooh, wow. Anyway. Okay. Get your children. Well, I guess the song done, people. That is it for the Dutty Lyrics review of Kartel's Make me know what you think about the song. Do you find the song to be a shell? As how I think say shell, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna give the song a good 4 out of 5, because this is typical Kartel. This is Kartel in a sort of element where the mainstream sound where people love Kartel for. And I'm not gonna lie, they put out some song one day and they never really connect so much. Kartel fans no must know. Say the other song they did release one day, it never really, you know, in a typical Kartel style, but as the great man that him be, him just know how to find it when you're ready to underestimate him just say, you gotta do, and find a song. Find the perfect song, and I think this is the sort of Kartel where people want to hear from and say a lot more from. Because the song you not like catchy, it have an impact, it have a vibe, make you hear it on the in the minibus them, make you hear it on radio, make you hear it in the dance them, and I think that this song is him find it back, him never lose it, but this song have a certain flow and a vibe, and I like the song, I'm not gonna lie. This well done Kartel. Vendetta fans, I don't know what to say. Well, that is it, people. Let me know what you thought about the Kartel song. Let me know what you thought about this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Tell me your favorite line from the song. Comment below. Comment what is your favorite line from Kartel's Make sure to subscribe if you haven't as well. And if you want to promote something on my channel, email me at DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. My social media handle is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Twitter, all over. Thank you so much for watching, and the Dutty Berry Lyrics, the Dutty Lyrics will be back. If you are a new artist and you want to promote your song on the Dutty Lyrics segment as well, just email me and them look something there. Alright? Peace out.